Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Windynation 300 amp ANL fuse holder and set. The purpose of this fuse, and all fuses in general, is to protect the electrical wire before it overheats and potentially catches on fire. This Windynation fuse is rated for 300 amps, and when you receive it, it comes with one fuse holder and two sets of fuses. That way, if one of your fuses breaks, you'll have a backup. To set up this fuse, you simply take off the hex bolts, washers, and fuses. This particular Windynation ANL fuse uses 5/16 of an inch terminal posts, so you will need 5/16 of an inch copper lugs to make your connections. Here is an example of a 5/16 inch copper lug that accommodates 2/0 electrical wire. After crimping these lugs onto your wire, place the copper lugs over the posts, then add a set of flat washers. Add one of your ANL fuses, then add another set of flat washers and lock washers. Finally, to fix everything together, add the hex nuts back on. In this video, I'm finger tightening the hex nuts, but you'll want to use a socket wrench for more torque. And lastly, add the plastic cover. And you're ready to go. One of the criticisms that we have is that when we took this fuse out of the box, these two silicone pads fell out onto the floor and we almost lost them. These pads are supposed to cover the hex bolt underneath and prevent shortening the circuit and potentially starting a fire. So if this happens to you, you stick the silicone pads back onto the hex, potentially adding a dab of glue to keep them there. But other than that, this is a really great fuse. We've been using this exact same fuse for our camper van for over 4 years now and recommend them. Building an electrical system in a camper van can be complicated. Just look at all the products that you'll need. That's why we provide an electrical wiring ebook filled with simple, intuitive wiring diagrams and product and tool recommendations to help you build your system as fast as possible. To access this free ebook, click the link in the description below or head over to our website's homepage. Happy building!